If you have a WooCommerce shop, you know exactly how difficult it is to manage your inventory. Running out of stock can cost you precious sales, and having too much can tie up precious capital. I've been about a decade in retail, managing inventory of products, and all the stuff I've learned, I've poured into this plugin. So let's dive right in. Here I am on just a demo shop I set up on my local host. If you're familiar with WooCommerce and the analytics tab right here, you click on it, it brings you up the dashboard. Now I don't have anything in here because again, it's on a demo store and just testing the plugin. But as you can see, they give you all these stats about sales, net sales, orders, top products and whatnot, but it doesn't say anything about you're about to run out of this product. Now you can see what you have low in stock. If I go in here to the left, stock, low stock, and there, now you can see what is low in stock. Nothing here will help you make a decision. You just know that you need to order it. Now by default, it's going to send you notifications, but they're going to be very basic, just letting you know that you're low in stock. No other statistics, just like this page here. And how to make sure that's going to the right place if you plan to use it. Go over here to WooCommerce, settings. You would think it's in emails, but it's actually under products, inventory, and you can disable it here or change who you want it to go to. But we're going to be using stock alerts. As you can see, the stock alerts is right under orders because you're going to want to know as fast as possible to make decisions as quickly as possible to avoid you running out of any kind of product. You can take this one step further and set up email alerts by just toggling this on, setting up the recipient to whomever you want to send it to, and also make sure that this matches your domain so you don't have any errors of the email not getting sent out. So if we go back to the low stock products, you'll see you have the product name, the current stock level, and you can change it from here. The threshold that it's set at currently. So year-to-date average, so how much you sell per month. Last month, this current month, your 3-month trend, meaning is it going up or down in sales? And how many days on hand do you have? So if you buy no more, this is how many days it will last. As you can see in this example, it says I have 30 days on hand, which more than likely means I don't need to order anymore and that I need to change my threshold. Now, this is just a dummy store. Your stats would be different. And if you don't have historical data, then this might mean less to you. But as you fill out a year's worth of sales, this will start becoming really accurate. And then this reorder number also will be very accurate. The next column is next month, last year. So last year, next month, you had X sales. Now, if this number is way bigger than your averages, then it's a good idea to think what had happened. So it could have been a holiday. You could have been running advertisements, but it's always good to look that up if you see that. And that should indicate that you need to order more because either you have a holiday or you need to order less because you're not running those same advertisements. So the next two are safety stock. So about what is safe for 30 days, as well as recommended order. So it recommends what you order. Again, you need to look at all these stats and adjust accordingly. But if all your averages are the same, your next month's last year is around the same, the trend is either up or down a very little amount, then this number will become very accurate as you get more and more sales and the data kind of just levels everything out. The email alert will alert you with all the same information. So even if you're on the go and you need to do it now, like, oh my gosh, I'm going to run out of product, you'll have all that data in front of you. And if everything checks out, you could probably just make the order from your phone. I'm in the middle of redesigning my website a little bit to adjust to add this plugin. If you go to the link in the description, you'll go down here and you'll see the quick stock alerts. And it's just $19.99 and a one-time payment, no yearly subscription. It will just keep running and you'll get updates and support if you need. If you do purchase this plugin, please comment down below if there's anything you'd like to add or change, or send in a support form. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next one. Bye!